So yeah, see if we could bounce, come down, see if we hit a like VWAP or something, but see if we continue up and see if at least like this, like, yeah, that 30K that'd be like kind of ideal. But I would kind of want to see. But we'll see. How's everyone doing this morning? How's everyone's long weekend? That's good, that's good, that's good. Worked on the site pretty much all weekend. Ooh. Getting a push down there. See if push down a VWAP. Getting a strong push down. Yeah, see if we pop off VWAP. Alright, about a minute to open. Can y'all see my screen? Yes, okay. Just checking. Just checking. Alright, we're bouncing off you up a little bit. Sorry, I'm just taking care of a couple of things. Yeah, it seems we bounced off the where that stop loss level was from yesterday. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Look at that drop. Alright, so we got, like I said, we got a little bit of news at 9 o'clock. We got a little bit of news. Yeah, we bounced right off this level. Hitting VWAP. Let's see if we keep dropping. See. Let's see. Yeah, if we keep dropping, we head to previous day, previous week high. Could be a good target. But yeah, look at this wick on the 4 hour. See if got about 25 minutes left on it. See if we pop back up or not. Yeah, we can get down here. Be a good drop if we break through this. We could fill in this gap right here. Yeah, we can do a little gap fill. Kind of like it. We'll see. Yeah, see if we get a little reaction here. Feel like have this this little area here. Kind of have these two areas. A little something like that. But yeah, if we drop and we get here, I mean, we can break this. I think we have a good chance of filling this in. See if we bounce up, get like a push up to VWAP again. God, what about 8 minutes? Everyone enjoy their long weekend. I got bored. Nice. I was busy. Yeah, I feel you though. I've been like, there's been times where like I need to keep busy because like, man, what's the church doing right now? And then count blown. I guess I can show you while we got a little bit of time. Show you something. Something I've been working on the website. So I built a backtest converter. Basically, it takes any CSV file, and you can import it into the website or into the extension. Doesn't really matter. So I did it already. I'm gonna do it with it's still in beta with Trade so you can actually import like your trades into the journal itself. But for the backtest, and this works with any strategy on TradingView. So I was able to import it. So this is the backtest. Like you can just pull it up here. You can get downloaded here. But I was able to actually import all the data from the backtest for all the 5 years. And you can actually look at all the trades. Yeah, it's from the 25th, I think. 22nd. Yeah, I went ahead and updated it. I was working on this, so it was I guess I could show real quick how it works. I think I downloaded it. Okay, yeah, I did. So it recognizes like trading view strats, like the normal ones, and it recognizes like FSD-X ones. And then you just like import it, and then you can select if you want to go to the journal, back to like your like any of your sessions, make a new one, or to the journal itself. Has all this stuff. Pretty cool. Yeah, so you can go and look at all the trades, and then like if you have Nexus itself. So like if you go do that on there, if you go to Nexus, it'll be there. See, it's right here. So if you go to the website and updo it, and then you can go here, and then you can go like backtest like all the you can look at all the trades and on the chart. Like I said, I'm adding like trade debate. So if you want to put in like if you want to upload your trades to the journal or backtest something from like trade debate data, you'll be able to convert it. So it's good for backtest. It's pretty much, you can use it for anything. But it'll basically converts TradingView, and I'm gonna try to put other formats that you can actually import into the website. Points, or it's just good data to have. Yeah, I'm trying to add more to the website. Hey, what's going on? How's everyone doing? Alright, so yeah, so we're like in this little range that I drew out here. Yeah, the other thing, I had to update the backtest. I was looking at the data, and for some reason on it's like a trading view, like I wouldn't say bug, but they have trading view is kind of weird sometimes. So for some reason, like on the 19th, it had like a $45 loss. I was looking at the data, like I was actually going through the months and stuff, and then for some reason it had like a $45 loss instead of a $300 loss. So I was like, well, might as well just update it on the, like I was doing like looking at the data. I was like, well, let me fix this trade. And then so I was like, oh, let me just update it on the website, because I think before it was up to like the 19th, and that was the day that actually had the error. But it was only like $200 difference. Nothing, the data, like the win rate, nothing really changed. Okay, so we do have news in 15 minutes. So, oh, and why everything's still here? That happens when it's like a holiday. Yeah, then yeah. So once we get a new setup, it'll go away. The indicator looks at end of day at a certain time, like whatever the indicator is set to. So since the market closed at noon, it never saw end of day, so it just continued on. Do we inverse it? Oh yeah, we just went through it. So this is like 30K, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a reaction here. I would say somewhere, like we're probably gonna have a reaction there. Yeah. Oh, it looks like it's gonna pop. Probably pop pretty high. So hopefully it doesn't go too high. Oh no, we got room. To this level is about 50 points. Well, might be running out of room now. We might push that 50 points. Am I in? No. In the trade? No, there's no trade yet. Still gotta wait for this candle to close. Never like when they're this high. Yeah. A little iffy. Ooh. Yeah, because right around here it'd be 50 points. Hold on, I gotta fix something real quick. Yeah, guys, can you guys hear me? Alright, can you guys hear me? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. My internet completely went out. I can't even log into TradingView anymore. Well, let me see. Alright, so you guys can hear me? And it's, I guess, see my screen too? Okay. Alright, cool. Yeah, I don't know. It was really weird. And I can't log into Ninja or TradeVate. Let's see if I can log in on NinjaTrader. Okay, I was able to log into NinjaTrader. Let's see if I can log into TradeVate. Wow, that would have been a great entry. Alright, I'm in. Just trying to get in off the, what do you call it? Off the top of Orb, but I couldn't get logged in. Okay, well, that was kind of weird. All right, anyone get in? Yeah, I wanted to get in here, but I couldn't log in. For the month, I think it's down. Oh, I want to say 200-ish. I want to say 200-ish. The trade on, was it Friday? I haven't heard it. It was like right at, I think it was like at 12:30. I'll show you this month. After this trade. We break these highs. We break this level right here. Yeah, I think it's like we were upper break even, and then that one trade, I think it was like a Friday or something. It was like a super late trade. I took it, I marked it down just because I was marking the data. But yeah, I'll show you what the month looks like so far. If we get a couple of good trades this last week, man, we'll be break even ish. But you know, it happens. All right, we got a reaction of 30K. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, it's a medium folder. Hey, what's going on? Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Alright, if we could break 30K and hold, this could be really good. I mean, this looks really good though. Like we wicked super, like, you know, we hit this level, wicked, and then, you know, it wasn't a strong close, but you know, it was really good rejection. So this is just this is gonna be like the make or break it point. So if you are worried, you know, just keep an eye on it, go to break even, you know, just be careful with this area here. But if we could break it, you know, we have potential here. This is really good. We're probably gonna get, if we could break this, then get a pullback and then hold. Oh, I think we're good. But it's just getting over this. This is a big area. And 14 seconds to news, so just be careful, everyone. Here we go. Here we go. See, just hope it holds. I just hope it holds. We don't want to see, I mean, if it comes down in like wicks, this area, I mean, that's kind of like understandable. But if we just start coming like, I honestly wouldn't mind like moving this up to like the bottom of this candle, or like a little bit like around here, just to kind of not take full loss if it does decide to come back. That's a pretty far distance to come back. Here we go. That's what I want to see. Like under VWAP would be like ideal. Kind of mitigate that a little bit. Honestly, like if this continues up, I would not mind letting this ride. Like just kind of move it up, move my stop loss as it goes. Like if we have this volatility behind it, very nice. Yeah, if we have this volatility behind it, if we can keep pumping up, I don't mind going TP2, but like at least trailing my stop. So either I'll either play TP or stop loss, or just keep kind of bouncing them and then using structure and then get out. If we get past TP1. If not, I'll just take my TP1. Oh, we need a good win, honestly. Kind of do. Just need like a 300-point move. That's what I want to see. I want to see, like, I don't mind the retest here. I want to see 30K I want to see 30K hold. Like it should. I hope if it treats you with respect, then you know it's good for us. If it just blows back through it, like towards us, like towards our entry, it's not, you know, not a good look. So if we see if we retest this area and that get like a, you know, so we bounce off this wick. Sucks. I was almost able to get in here. Stupid internet. Yeah, you know, it's not a bad call. Kind of break even and see what it does. See if we bounce off this level here. Just don't want to see an aggressive move down. All right, see if we hold here. Got about a minute left in this candle. The market's going to be a little bit, I guess, like how it kind of erratic because of the news event. When it's going to should straighten out here in the next, hopefully next 10 minutes. Decide what it wants to do. Hopefully take off. Oh, did it? It was like a point away. All right, see if we can get a good close. You missed your entry, or it didn't hit your entry? Didn't hit. All right, see if we can nice push, get over this level. I like how we're kind of bouncing there. Ugh. Oh, you're in the middle. Oh, okay, I getcha. Oh, looks like it might try to push down now. Awesome. Glad you're liking the indicator update. we are having some trouble here. Alright, see if we can break the highs. There we go. What is this? Who else is in this trade? Yeah. Yeah, it seems like we're having such a hard time. No. There it is, yeah. 50 points, 50 points. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Yeah, see if we can break these highs and see if we can get past 50% here. Yeah, if it gets like super high up, I'll probably start moving up my stop. But I'll let this play out. Try at least, hopefully at least get to TP1. Just, I don't know. If this level can hold, then yeah, but like we might be pulling back here. Especially if we leave like a fair value gap here. Having a little bit of consolidation. Yeah, it's only trouble with these levels is like all-time high levels. How far does price want to go? Well, while we got a second. Oh, hold on. Let me find it real quick. Alright, so as of for May, we are down $364. That was because of the 22nd. That was a loss, and it was like right at the cutoff. It was at 12:25. I didn't personally take it or anything like that, but since it was triggered by the indicator, I went ahead and marked it. So if you followed the indicator solely, every single trade it took, it would be down $364. We have a solid week. We could literally wipe that out and end the month positive, even though this month has been tricky. There we go, 50% hit. Very nice candle there. All right, what do we need? Another. What is this? 50 points? Yeah, another 55 points. Oh yeah, so I have been making updates to the website. So you do have a member login and a bunch of other added stuff in the VIP section. So if you guys want to use that, you guys have full access to it. The converter I just made and everything, all the back testing, all the tools on there. What? You're not be here? Oh no! I'm going full target. With the new setup, with the new data, I prefer going just to doing full target. It could be done. You can do it either way. You can go to break even, or you can go full TP. But yeah, with the new data, with the adjustments I made to the indicator, since it handles basically trade, well, it has them the same way, but since it can pick trades a lot better, and it's a lot more pickier, I would just rather go just full TP or stop loss. I still will manage my trades. If it gets like really high, really close to TP, then I'll probably go to break even. Yeah, once you break the 50% and then continue up, I'll probably go to break even, or I'll move my stop probably to below the candle or here, like right underneath this candle. Not a bad idea. Oh yeah, that risk is pretty light now. Should have went a little heavier. There we go. So we can get a nice close over the 50%. Hopefully just cruise up to TP1. We're just pushing now. Yeah. Yeah, so it was, you know, we had a breakout whole retest, very good continuation, a little bit of you know, like a little pullback, a little bit of consolidation. Now I think we're getting the next push. Very nice candle there. Probably go to break even pretty soon. Pretty decent profit. If it comes back from here, you know, I'd rather just get stopped out. But I'll let it ride a little bit. I mean, you can. I mean, it's completely up to you. The backtest, the last backtest, it was just running at pure TP stop loss, and the data looked really good. Since it's a lot more, the indicator's a little bit more pickier on trades. We actually went from 1,500 trades to like 12, over a little bit over 1,200 trades, and increased the P&L and win rate. Yeah, I'm definitely. No, definitely not. Yeah, once it gets a little higher, I should probably go to. I want to get it probably at 50% ish, or probably here. I think I think it should at least hit TP1, but I want to see if I can get up there. Yeah, if it starts coming down, then I'll just take the break even. I don't think we're gonna get a massive candle, so I'm just leaving it right how it is. Yeah, like even in the back test, I was looking at some of the trades, and there was a couple of trades. It got up to like right here, and then literally reverse. So it's like some of the trades I was looking at, I was like, I mean, that's heartbreaking. It was like maybe like 1 point away, and then reverse. So there should be like technically be more wins in the back test. Yeah, the other reason I like didn't want to move my stop loss is because if I put it right on top of it, it's like such a pain to flip these over. So I have to leave it here or like down here. Yeah, I want to see if we like blast through, like if we can like blast through like this top side. That's like I think like 20 points. Like that's like if it blasts through the round number, then that'd be great. It gives me confidence to hold the TP2. It'd be great if we went past TP2. kind of like get a huge win today. Alright, so what do we need? Probably like 20 points, maybe? Yep, 20 points. Alright, it's a lot of green candles. A lot of green candles in a row. Whoa. What do we got here? Yeah, I think we're gonna get. We should get to TP1. I mean, we got what about? We're up about 100 points. Well, I'm slightly above the below entry. There we go. TP1 should be a lock. TP1 should be a lock. Want to see how this hits TP1. All right, right around TP1. I want to see it blow through this. About 4 points. So close to TP1. There we go, about to hit TP1. TP1 like edged. See if you blow through it or not. Yep. Man, it's like, well, it technically hasn't hit TP1 yet, but like, want to see it blow through it. But yeah, it's TP. I mean, it's TP1. Yeah, I don't want to get too much back. What do we got? Like a minute left in this candle. Yeah, I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. And that's exactly what I was talking about before, how it hit like right before the TP and like fully reverse. Yeah, if it starts coming down, probably just take my money and run. See if we get that push back up. Want to see a nice push up. I want to see a push through TP1. There you go. Don't like that. Don't like these wicks here. Keep an eye on it. Having a little trouble. There you go. TP1 hit. TP1 is hit. See if we blow through it. Yeah. Tap TP1. Yeah, I was hoping it would blow through TP1, but I guess not. Well, TP1's locked. want to see how this candle closes. No, I'm just gonna close the trade. I mean, still a win, still a good win. Been needing this. Been needing a good solid trade. Yeah, I was hoping to blast through TP1, but it happens. See if we get a strong close here. Because what is it? It's all like 40 points maybe? 50 points. There we go. Alright, see if we break this high here. See if we don't just reject. Alright, would like to lock TP1 down if we can get just past it. There we go. Once we go up here, I'm going to move it to TP1 just so I have it locked. Or at least like underneath this candle. There we go. Yeah, how greedy do I want to be today? Alright, I'm locked TP1. I'm just gonna let it ride now. I mean, I got nothing to lose. This is what I wanted to see. I wanted to have that break of TP1 so I can lock it and trail it there. If I get tapped out, I get tapped out. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it looks like I'm getting tapped here, but like I said, I was just waiting to get this at least locked in. I'm cool either way now. We've been needing this. We have been needing this day. Alright, so should be profit. We should be in profit now for the month by like $100, like $150. Pretty easy day, honestly. Need a strong close here. I don't know if I'm gonna take it actually at the top of the TP2 box. I just have it there just so I'll probably end up, if it hits TP2, just kind of see what I want to do. But just so that way, if it like shoots up, I don't get taken out too quick. Yeah, if it gets a TP2, I'll probably just lock it over here, like at this box, and then see what. I know, it's like we've been almost in a drought. Just kind of back and forth, back and forth. Definitely a rough month, man. But yeah, all we need is a good week, and then we're back up. 2 more trades. We're back in profit. The only thing that's good, this one didn't get out of hand. Like it didn't. We didn't go into deep drawdown.